Hey, I'm Mike Sullivan. I created Born to Shine because I was a third grade kid that got bullied to the point of developing severe anxiety and depression. I was a total mess, and I went to college to become a psychologist and got help from all kinds of people. And I distilled it down to three key points that can help your K through 5 kids move from anxious, or sad, or even depressed to really confident, feeling good about themselves, improving their grades, making more friends in school, and just feeling better about themselves and more focused and excited about their life. And I can show you those three skills in 5 minutes over Zoom, or you could look at like the cartoon version of me. It's hilarious. Or all these other people that love Born to Shine. Here's a one sheet and all the technical, boring stuff. Or we can have some fun together and just ignore all this, and we'll do the 5 minute demo together. So if you are open to see in 5 minutes how we can take your kids from sad, anxious, overwhelmed, stressed, depressed to totally calm, confident, and connected, I would love to connect with you for 5 minutes. And we use music, science, and storytelling. So it's a great way to teach kids these new skills, the three that are going to change their life. And it's going to make you look like the hero because you're the one that brought the program into school. So again, it's a zero pressure. I'll show you in 5 minutes. If you think it's something that your district would benefit from, like many other districts have, cool. And if not, totally cool too. So it's zero pressure. I just want to let you know that we exist, we care about you, and we care about your students, and we care about your staff. We even have a program for the parents as well, but that's another day. So I'm gonna make it short and I'm gonna zip it. So hope to hear from you soon and would love to meet you. All right, have a beautiful day.